There's one chore that's not my favorite, and that's cleaning the toilet. However, it is a necessity because if you don't do it, you get that gross, grimy ring in your toilet. Luckily, there's a product from Fluidmaster called the Flush and Sparkle that makes your toilet a self-cleaning toilet. That means that every time you flush, your toilet is gonna clean itself. No more toilet brush, no more toilet bowl cleaner. All you need is this. And the best part, this is incredibly easy to install. It's going to take you less than 1 minute. Yes, I know plumbing projects can be a little bit intimidating, but there's no need to call a plumber, there's no need to turn off the water. Heck, you don't even need any tools. I'm gonna show you how to install this, and I promise, less than 1 minute. First, take the lid off of the toilet tank. Grab the Flush and Sparkle holder and adhere to the back lip of the tank. Remove the existing tube from the valve port. This is the piece that runs water into the overflow pipe. Now take the shorter tube from the Fluidmaster holder and connect it to the valve port. Attach the clip fastener to the top of the overflow pipe, making sure it's positioned so water will flow into the pipe. The Fluidmaster Flush and Sparkle comes in 2 varieties. You've got the blue cartridge, and this makes your toilet bowl water blue, which pretty much shows everyone that you've got a clean toilet. Or you can opt for the bleach refills, which are clear. Take your cartridge and put it into the holder, turning it clockwise 1/4 of a turn to lock it in place. Flush your toilet a few times to make sure everything is working well, and you don't have any leaks. Then put your lid back on. See, I told you that would take less than 1 minute, but there's still one thing left on your to-do list, and that's to set a reminder on your calendar for 3 months from now to replace the cartridge in the back of your toilet. It's gonna take less than 10 seconds, and it's going to ensure that your toilet keeps on cleaning itself. I've gotta say, I'm one happy girl to no longer be cleaning toilets around here.